Banggood's having their 19th anniversary sale, and normally I would post this information on our Facebook page, but there's too much. There's just too much to bring this down. What I want to do is show you some of the best buys, I think the best values that I've come across, and there are a lot of them. Okay, first up, the He-Wing Hunter H1. This plane is awesome. It's 2S, but it's got twin motors. I would say it has unlimited vertical, or it's very, very close to having unlimited vertical. But the plane is extremely stable, and I think that at $79.99, which is the price they have it on right now for the plug and fly from the U.S. warehouse, I think it's a steal for what you get. I couldn't believe that price when I saw it. So I also posted this on our Facebook page. I will have a link to the playlist in the show notes for these things that I'm listing, the things that I actually have and have flown. I think I just posted a flight of it, if I remember correctly. Okay. The other thing that really caught my eye was this. This is a Volantex P-51D Mustang. This is the 750 millimeter wingspan version of this plane that I have, that I had to mod to fly on 3S, because mine came with a 10 amp ESC. But, and this is $65.99. $65.99 from the U.S. warehouse for this plane, for this plug and fly plane. But they've upgraded it. Okay, this is what really caught my eye on this too. Not only, I mean, this would be an excellent price if you had to change the ESC in it to set it up for 3S. But look, this has got an easy plug 20 amp ESC. So I switched out the 10 amp ESC that mine came with a 20 amp ESC. I fly mine on 3S. Okay, and down here it actually shows, recommended battery 11.1 volt, 500, 800 milliamp hour. Okay, so you can get this in a plug and fly for $65.99. Has a 20 amp ESC already in it, so it should be good for 3S. And the other thing that caught my eye, these are the batteries that I have that I fly in this plane. These 650s, these Tatsu 3S 650 milliamp hour LiPos fit in that battery bay without having to modify the battery bay. These are the batteries that I fly mine with. And you can get a 2-pack of them from the global warehouse, not the U.S. warehouse, but a 2-pack of them for $17.99. That's a pretty good price for those batteries. They're 75C, and I can get a good, I would say, between a 6 to 7 minute flight on mine, pushing it fairly hard, mixed mode flying, with one of these packs in it, leaving 3.6 volts per cell. So it's really good, and it has, it fits in there perfectly, nice and snug. The plane has a nice weight with that 3S LiPo in it. I will have a link to the playlist for that plane in there too, if I can remember to put it in there. Okay, so now that I've shown you those items, I'm going to go back over to their main page here and show you some others. Like this RC Era C138, $57.99. Guys, some of these are really good prices. RC Era C032 UH1 6-channel 6-axis, $94. If I'm not mistaken, I think this one has a brushless main motor. Let's see. Yeah, here it is. 7.4 volt brushless motor. So the main motor is a brushless motor. That's a pretty good price for that UH1. Man, if I didn't have such a large inventory right now, I'd be pulling the trigger on at least 4 or 5 different items. Okay, so that's another one that I wanted to point out. This one, the MJX HyperGo, typically this is around $100 for this, $75.99 for that monster truck. And let's see, this is, I think this one, the E190, I think that's dual brushless. Dual brushless. Let me see here. Lock motor. Yeah. So this is a dual brushless. It has a brushless main motor and tail rotor motor. They're both brushless. $209.99 for a Huey, a brushless Huey 6-channel. I don't know, man. I think that's pretty good. All right, so let's look at some more here. The RC Era, the MD 500 is a little bit less than what I normally see. I think the cheapest I've seen is $134.99, so that's about $5 cheaper than I normally see it. Okay, so there were some other ones in here. I'm not seeing them now, but maybe they're okay. Here we go. So the QIDI A560 A560 Maule M7, $64.99. The Volantex Saber 920. This is a phenomenal flying plane. I haven't had to this is one of the few factory planes where I didn't have to modify anything on it. Okay, $94.99. Check this out. This is the QF009. This is the dark gray one. This is the one I really wanted to get. I ended up with the light gray one because I think they sent it to me for review. Excellent airframe. And this is, stock. It's 2S brushless. I'm still using, I converted mine to 3S, but I'm still using the stock motor and prop that's on it. It'll handle 3S just fine. $49.99, guys, and I think that's with 2 batteries. They're practically giving that one away. 3 batteries. That's the one with 3 batteries from the U.S. warehouse for $49.99, but there's only 3 left. So you see the way this works, right? They have a very limited quantity of all these items at the best price. And then after it gets to 4 or 5 pieces, the price goes up to $66.99. So if you want one of these deals, you got to pull the trigger on it right away. That's the one thing that you got to do. All right? So that is phenomenal. Now check this out. This is the Eachine F4U Corsair, the one that I have that I fly on 3S. This is the bind and fly. Comes with 2 batteries. Now these are 2S 400 milliamp hour batteries. I'll provide my playlist to this plane in the show notes as well if I can remember all this stuff. But in the show notes for one of the flights on this plane, there's a link to the batteries. I purchased 4 of those 3S lipos, and if they have them in stock, buy them. Because they run out of stock frequently on those batteries, and they fit perfectly in there. You don't have to modify anything. All right, so I got 4 of those 3S lipos. I've got like 8 of the 2S lipos, 4 of the 3S lipos. This thing is a cloudbuster on 3S. It has really good power on 2S. It's a lot of fun on 2S, but on 3S, it is phenomenal. And this is the best flying Corsair that I've had in the air so far. I really like these 500 millimeter Warbirds that are brushless that they're coming out with now. The FlyBear SR72, of course, I converted mine, and it's a cloudbuster now. But I put a brushless pusher motor and prop on mine. $74.99, and it's a lot of fun as it comes stock. So I think $74.99 is a good price on it. But there was another one here that I wanted to tell you guys about. I don't see it, but it's the Volantex Ranger, and it's brushed motor, the pylon pusher, Volantex Ranger. But I think they had it. For less than $100, and it is still the absolute best beginner plane. There it is. No, I guess they already sold. Yeah. I guess they already sold the amount that they had the lowest price on. But I checked this yesterday. I wish I could have gotten this video created earlier, but I just had too much going on yesterday. When I checked this yesterday, they had it for $99.99. And this is without a doubt still the absolute best beginner plane I've ever had in the air. This is the easiest to fly plane I've ever had in the air. I think it's still really good buy at $129.99 with 2 batteries, but man, $99.99 and it's over. All right, so anyway, those are some of the deals that I wanted to show you. There are plenty in there. So, go to Banggood and go to the plane, RC planes, and you'll find a lot of, like this one right here. This is just a kit, but this is a really great flying pusher motor and prop ParkJet, $49.99. Okay, that's awesome. Look at this. The C160 cargo trans. Now, this is a kit too, but $44.99 for that plane. I think it's 1.12 meter wingspan. The Volantex Phoenix S, which is a phenomenal glider. I don't know if that's the kit. Let's take a look at it.
Plug and fly. There's only 4 left, but $104.99 for the plug and fly. That's a phenomenal sport glider. I absolutely love mine. Okay, I'm gonna look a couple more items here, and then I got to stop. Okay. Here's another kit. I don't know if you guys are into. I prefer a kit or a plug and fly if I can get them, but I really prefer a kit because then I can put my own electronics in it, and I know what I want. $52.99. I just put flaps on mine. I got to take mine out for a test flight. First time with flaps, but I've had this plane for years. It's an awesome, absolute awesome flying plane. 1.1 meter wingspan, floaty. You can fly it extremely slow. It's extremely stable. It's just a kit, but it's only $52.99. I bought mine years ago, and the kit then was $49.99. I mean, it's only gone up $3 since I purchased mine, and it was worth every penny. And then, okay, this I've got to stop here. All right, I could go all day, but the XK-A280, phenomenal plane, red tail P-51D Mustang, $84.99. Let's see how many of those they got left. 8. They only have 8 left at that price. All right, so anyway, I've shown you some phenomenal prices on things, okay? Okay, so anyway, I will try to remember to put links to the playlist, those playlists in the show notes. If I forget to put one in there, just go through my playlist and look for the plane, okay? And you'll find it. I think I've created a playlist for every plane that I've reviewed. So anyway, that's a wrap on this episode. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time in the Tinkerz Lab.